Thank you, Mr. Speaker. There's no emergency. We know there's no emergency because this bill has languished. The Parents' Bill of Rights has languished for almost an entire year now. If there was an emergency, Mr. Speaker, OSPI could have issued some clarifying language. If there was confusion, OSPI could have issued some clarifying language. What did OSPI do? It obstructed implementation of the entire Parents' Bill of Rights for almost a year. Individual school districts, individual administrators, individual teachers obstructed unambiguous language of the Parents' Bill of Rights. If this is such an emergency, Mr. Speaker, why didn't each one of those agencies, institutions, individuals take steps to clarify it? There's no emergency, Mr. Speaker. What an emergency clause does is it prohibits a vote of the people by initiative, referendum. The emergency clauses in this chamber there have been so many emergency clauses that have come out of this chamber for things that aren't emergencies. This is an egregious example of that exercise, Mr. Speaker, in this bill. That over 400,000 voters would sign an initiative saying, we want this Bill of Rights. That almost an unanimous Washington State legislature would say, we want this Bill of Rights. The impact of the emergency clause in this bill will prevent voters from saying, we want this Bill of Rights. Taking away the voice of the voters on something they have already said we wanted, both with their own signatures and through their duly elected representatives. This is unacceptable. This is disingenuous and it's obstructionist and it needs to be stopped.